Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can reorder Spotify playlists on Spotify. So it's like really simple. You can do it only on PC. You won't be able to do it on mobile. So what you want to do is when you're in a playlist, you just want to simply go to this left bar, take this playlist and just move it freely as you want. So this is how we do it. So again, you just take the playlist and just move it top or move it down. You hold it and you just move it. Or what you can do, it's the same when you're gonna click on a playlist created here. And you just again move it like this or this. Pretty simple, right? So this is how you can do it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.